Now, high drama also played out at the Punjab-Haryana borders. Just a day after the centre's talks with farmers over MSP guarantee was inconclusive, the Punjab government has cracked down on protesting farmers at the Shambu and the Khanori border. While border security has also been ramped up, protesting farmers were detained. Their tents were demolished with bulldozers, and barricades at the Punjab-Haryana border have been removed now by the Haryana police. Nearly 700 farmers were detained in late-night action at the border. Over 3,000 Punjab police personnel were deployed to remove the farmers and their tents. Punjab farmers will now be protesting across Punjab. They're saying that they will hold protests against the atrocities unleashed on them, as they put it.
किसान नेताओं को भी अरेस्ट कर दिया गया।
हाँ जी, वो ना मैडम क्या बात है कि कल एक तो मीटिंग चल रही है केंद्र के साथ और उधर मीटिंग चल रही है, बाद में किसान नेताओं को अरेस्ट कर लिया, इधर कार्रवाई कर दी है पंजाब सरकार ने। ये पंजाब सरकार और मोदी सरकार रली मिली है जी।
सारा समान आपदा जा रहे हैं, पर भगवंत मान नूं एवें नहीं करना चाहिए। जो वो किसानां दा एक पासे आंदा मैं किसानां दा पुत्तर हां, मैं किसान हां, उनका फर्ज बनता ही सानू पहलों अलर्ट करता, सानू टाइम दिंदा। ये भी कह सकदा मैं असीं तारे तंबू भन देंगे, सानू आखदा ते असीं समान सारा आपदा साडा लाखां रुपए का नुकसान करता। कौन भरपाई करेगा? ये सरकार करेगी?
ऐसे ऐसे मार के इन्हें हमारा ट्रैली तोड़ दिया, ट्रैक्टर तोड़ दिया, हमारा बहुत धक्का करे हमारे से। ये भगवंत मान सरकार के वास्ते ठीक नहीं है। इसको जड़ पट दिया इन्हें भगवंत मान को। अगली बार इसको एक वोट भी नहीं कोई देगा जिम्मेदार पंजाब में।
वो इन्हें की चाल थी है, वे उधर हो जाएंगे, ये यहाँ ना आए, जनता भड़के ना, ये इसलिए इन्होंने सारी पूरी इनकी सियासत थी है भी ऐसे करके इनको गुमराह करो तो ये ऐसे करो। ये
दोनों फोरमां ऐलान करते हैं भी अज पूरे पंजाब के अंदर, हरियाणे के अंदर ते बाकी सूबे के अंदर डिप्टी कमिश्नर दफ्तर अगे इस दे जो भी ये जुल्म जबर होया, अत्याचार होया, उहदे खिलाफ धरने दिते जाणगे। 11 किसान मजदूर बीबियां जिहड़ा ਉਹ डिप्टी कमिश्नर ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਰੋਸ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡਾ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਫੋਰਮਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਐਲਾਨ ਆ ਕਿ ਜੇਕਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾ ਇਹ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਦਮਨ ਚੱਕਰ ਚਲਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਵਾ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਚਲਾਈ ਰੱਖਿਆ, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਲਹਿਰ ਆ, ਜੋ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਧਰਨੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਆ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਤੇਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ।
जी 200 से ज़्यादा लोगों को डिटेन किया गया था कल रात को, और अब जितने भी यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं और व्हीकल्स हैं उनको यहाँ से मूव किया जाएगा।
इनको लेके कहाँ जाया जा रहा है?
यहाँ पे हमने एक पास में जगह डेजिग्नेट किया है, या वहाँ पर ही मूव किया जाएंगे।
शेड्स के ऊपर सर जो बुलडोजर के जरिए, जेसीबी के जरिए किया जा रहा है, तो ये पूरे रास्ते को ऐसे साफ करेंगे?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ बुलडोजर एक्शन वगैरह नहीं यहाँ पर हो रहा है। हम तो यहाँ पर एज पर प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर मैन पावर के साथ इक्विपमेंट को मूव कर रहे हैं।
कितनी मैन पावर पुलिस की है
यहाँ पे? तो अभी 2000 से ज्यादा पर्सनल अवेलेबल है, और हमारे पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में तो 3000 से ज्यादा है। वक्त डिफरेंट जगहों पर नाकाबंदी है और फोर्स मौजूद है।
Let's get you now ground reports from these border areas where all farmer setups have been removed.
There's a complete crackdown on the farmers at both the Shambu and Khanori border. Right now at Khanori border you see big machines with tractor trolleys and cranes are taking trolleys. They are towing away the trolleys in which the farmers were protesting from last 13 months. And this is the particular road which connects Haryana and Punjab by Sangrur and its Tohana Rohtak area, and also police has set a motive that in couple of hours this road and protest site will be vacated. We have Narveer Singh Virk with us, who is a senior official here in Punjab Investigation Bureau and Sangrur Police. Sir, in what time this place will be vacated, and what message do you have for the farmers? Are they allowed to take away their tractor trolleys, or they've been barred as such as internet is barred here?
Those who are coming to take their tractor trolleys by themselves, we are allowing them, and we are maintaining proper record. Okay, tomorrow there should be no controversy, so we are allowing them.
So farmers who are being detained, their tractor trolleys are taken by the family members or the relatives?
That I cannot answer. Those who are coming, we are to verify properly whether who has come to take this tractor trolley, is he the owner of the tractor trolley? Then we are allowing those proper people.
Otherwise, police is towing away the.
Yes, we have made a temporary parking lot. We are taking it there.
How many tractor trolleys are there, sir, which been towed away?
They were near about, I think, more than 300.
300. And sir,
All action here in Shambu border. The farmers may have been removed from here, but what is on is the process of removing these concrete barricades. And remember, what you hear behind me is that particular drilling machine. And remember, the JVC and the others have been brought in to lift those heavy concrete slabs. They were put in place to ensure that the farmers in tractors and trolleys could not march towards Delhi. 399 days onwards, what we see is the farmers have been evicted in a surprise move. And this is where it seems that they were already in talks with the government, and that's the day that the government thought that they could actually corner the leaders, and that is how a swift action was taken, first picking up and detaining the top leaders, and then thereafter action both at Shambu and Kanori. Now, hundreds of farmers have been detained, but is this going to go down well? Because many indicate that Punjab was suffering, especially as far as economics is concerned. Thousands of crores down the drain. It's also because the key arterial road, the Shambu border itself, was blocked. Now, the attempt really is to open up the side roads, because the flyover has the main strength of trolleys and tractors. But what is really going to happen now is also about how politics is heating up in Punjab. Just the BJP, who was initially blamed for not allowing farmers to enter Delhi, are the ones who are now training guns at the Aam Aadmi Party.